Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over to Allendale's trading floor. It's Thursday, January 21st, starting the day out with some support in this market after a recent sell-off that we've been seeing. You had the Biden inauguration here yesterday, and it looks like we have finally found that place where the risk-off mentality has at least subsided for now. We're going to be looking at the fundamentals here. Like I said, we do have the inauguration yesterday. A lot of people worried about that lockdown, but as of right now, no sound of any kind of lockdown for the U.S. at this time. Only an executive order mandating masks be worn on federal property. Rumors of old crop sales to China helped support us as well here yesterday. So I'll be watching those at 8 a.m. from the USDA to announce from private exports estimates. Another couple that came through the pipeline, no pun intended, is the Keystone Pipeline permit canceled, as well as Paris Climate Accord being rejoined, and what that could mean for energy prices going forward. Does it go back to his thoughts on the taking away from fracking, or what could be seen there? But as of right now, the dollar and energies are lower. Do not be expecting to see any kind of export sales report here today. That will be backed up until tomorrow due to the holiday on Monday. Choice and Select both higher here yesterday, with a lot of focus coming up here on the cattle on feed report come Friday, tomorrow at 2 p.m. Here are some estimates. If you need to see them, please pause the screen now and write those down. Pork also up at $1.60. On the technical side of things, like I said, you are finding some support on the corn side. You did fill up that gap and find some support below that gap, some technical buying. Right now, your first point of really good resistance we'll be watching is this 536.5, and then after that, these contract highs of 541.5. So as of right now, you are finding that good support buying here that should be watched on these various resistance levels, being careful for some kind of potential bull trap. Over on the hog side of things, very impressive outside day higher here yesterday with a bullish engulfing candle taking out the entire body of the previous day's trading range, as well as open to low. So you had very good support of this 100-day moving average, also about that midpoint of this multi-month range that the hogs have been trading. And as of right now, you got a nice bullish push. You should be watching next upside resistance point about the 73.50-ish level, and then these recent highs just shy of that 75 area. So a couple places to be watching. Should expect to see further support come in this market, but we've seen it before. We do have an outside day higher or lower the next day. Does look to give back some of those gains. So if we do see a minor setback, don't be too surprised. Looking at about these mid 72 area to potentially find some minor support. We have the Ag Leaders Conference coming up here next week. True Learn on 27th, Grains and Livestock on the 28th. Please call 800-262-7538 and ask for Zach to get signed up for that. Any questions for me directly, please give me a call at 815-578-6177. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.